Good morning, OPOS stars. We'll be doing the cheese and chili noodles. We'll start with chopping some onion. The loading should take us a couple of minutes. Cooking should take us around 6 minutes or so. You can just wipe off this black fungus. No need to cut it out, it's there only on the surface. See, just wipe it off well, and the onions are good to use. Add as many green chilies as you like. The primary flavor would come from chilies and cheese. Start with just 1 tablespoon of oil. Just cover the base completely, and then add the onions as a bottom layer and the green chilies. Spread it out. I'm going to crush this noodle. There's 1 pack of noodles. I'm going to crush this and hydrate it. Add just 1/4 cup of water to hydrate the noodles. Mix in the taste maker. You can add whatever masalas you like along with this. Add it as a layer over the noodles, over the onions, and the cheese. This is just cheddar cheese cubes. You can grate it or chop it into pieces or just add it as it is. Add as many as you like. I'll just add 2 cubes. Ensure they are added as a top layer, otherwise they'll just melt and start burning if you add them as a bottom layer. Close, cook on high for a couple of whistles, or maybe even 3 whistles, so that the onions get a bit caramelized at the bottom. Mix everything and your cheese and chili noodles will be ready. So this should be a 6 to 7 minute recipe from cutting to plating. Good enough for 1 person. Can add 2 packs of noodles if you need to feed 2 people. By limiting the amount of water used, we are ensuring that the noodles do not become mushy, but still retain a bite. The more the water you use, the mushier the noodles would become. And the more the water you use, the more overcooked they are likely to get. If you cut down the amount of water, they will not get overcooked even if you cook them for a long time. That's one. I let it go for 2 more whistles. Two. That's it. Release the pressure, mix all, and your cheese and chili noodles will be ready in under 8 minutes from scratch, cutting to plating. Look at how well the cheese has melted. Mix it all up. There is very little charring. Smell gorgeous. That is one restaurant sized portion for you. Cheese and chili noodles, all done and dusted in less than 8 minutes from cutting to plating. Do try this out and please post your validations.